Let's go now to the latest on business. The financial crisis, which began in the United States, has become a global concern. From Asia to Europe, countries are busy trying to deal with the knock-on effects. Yang Yin reports.
In India, hundreds of flight attendants gathered in Mumbai on Thursday to protest against job cuts at one of India's largest airlines. Jet Airways called off expansion plans on Wednesday, saying it would cut flights by 15% and lay off 800 flight attendants in response to high fuel costs and slowing demand. India has little direct exposure to the current global financial crisis, but the emerging economy is suffering collateral damage in the form of tight credit, plunging currencies, tanking equity markets, slowing growth and falling commodities prices. The crisis also casts a shadow over Russia's agricultural revival. With over 50 million tons, Russia's wheat harvest this year is the best in over 15 years. But analysts have warned any further jump in agricultural output can only be achieved by increased investment, and that will not happen anytime soon. Russia has vast uncultivated land, but with loans almost impossible to get, planned expansions will be put on hold and the land will likely remain fallow. Switzerland's two largest banks will receive billions of francs of emergency funding from the government and other investors to shore them up against the financial crisis. Shares in UBS AG and Credit Suisse Group AG fell sharply in early trade as investors reacted negatively to the latest example of the dramatic impact of the credit crunch on leading banks. UBS will get a capital injection of 6 billion francs from the Swiss government in the form of mandatory convertible notes. It will also unload up $60 billion of illiquid securities and other assets from its balance sheet to a separate fund entity under agreement with the Swiss National Bank. Credit Suisse will raise funds from investors including the Qatar Investment Authority, a major shareholder. Yang Yan, CCTV.